The main thing for me and with Quality Solar is specialising in high-end and quality that'll give you a good return on your investment. Where you go the lower end, it might be cheaper, but the poor man pays twice. I think the philosophy of the top end of quality is that people see the value. It comes down to value for money. You might pay a little bit more at the top of it, the long end of it. It works out cheaper. It does work out cheaper. My main clients that I have are the normal mums and dads that are looking for a good investment, and that's what it comes down to. Look at your return on your investment. That's what a lot of people look at, and your return on investment is roughly the same time of the paying off period as what a bottom end system is going to be. I think the most important thing of having solar and a good quality system is that it's going to last longer. Just by putting the top end of the solar gives me a good peace of mind that the customer's got good value for money at the end of the day.